This is home, in a city and a university. Some were raised around the corner. Some chose to travel much further. These pathways that we walked, interlinked, always connected. And from our time that we spent here, we saw our foundations cemented. These foundations run so deep, going beyond the current name. All the roots before we flowered that make us family all the same. Even before the city of Birmingham Polytechnic, our home had found its start in colleges of music, commerce and art. From the south to the north, if we really must get technical, a place I'm proud to be attached to, a place forever recommendable, a place epitomized by its people, who can never be divided. See, me and you through BCU will be continuously united. There are those who are really breaking barriers, who open doorways as they go, with the speed of Birchfield Harriers, whose foundations help all grow. Extended from these middle lands, pushing beyond barriers and past boundaries, opening the locks of life's canals and making waves in stagnant waters. This place birthed icons of industry that stand up like BT Tower, while rounded like our rotunda, hot as steam, creating power that goes beyond the engine's push until new magic is revealed. Follow the shepherds of the city as they are leading in their fields. We have heroes of these local lands, the jewels inside the crown, who shine like jewelry-quartered gems and are equally renowned, for this city goes far beyond its 1,000 different trades. And while some push past its limits, there's no limits to those who stayed. Like this institution stayed, ever-changing but still here. It's hard to grasp how much has passed in 180 years. How many seeds have taken nutrients from the most fertile of soil? How many bubbled below the surface before they learned that they could boil? Those who inspire, those who invent, those whose impact is intangible, those who educate, those who demonstrate that our dreams are really catchable, those with proper tools who turn illogical from impossible to viable, those who truly grew at BCU to be brave, creative, undeniable.